If your computer keeps telling you the heatsink isn't detected, then go inside your desktop and you see this heatsink right here. This is actually a stupid design. See, there's a clip there and it attaches to the motherboard, and then there's also one on the bottom, and that completes an electrical circuit. And if the circuit isn't complete, then the system thinks the heatsink fell off of this chip here, which you can see it obviously didn't, and then it gives you that message when you try to turn it on. One thing I found that seems to work is you grab it right here, and you push it to where it detaches itself from that ring loop that comes out of the motherboard, and then you let it touch it again. And you do the same thing on the bottom, and then the computer should start up. When you turn it off, turn it back on. Go ahead and take the heatsink off the processor and clean that, and then put new thermal paste on it, reinstall that too to roll that out. So this is what you can do to fix that error that you get where it says chipset heatsink not detected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.